latest addition, an 8-foot Rome awning.
The awning is mounted on a Go Westy mount to the end of the Yakima bars. We didn't like any of the phone mount clips for the Chevy Express, so we ended up screwing the old Ram mount directly to the dash.
I got sick of the half-installed plastic rattling around when I drove. So took the rest of it out today. At least on the passenger side. I left the upper section of this. I'm not sure exactly how that's gonna end up because it's gonna still have the plastic up here. So I might incorporate this upper pillar piece and just do the shiplap on the lower section.
We cut the driver's side plastic piece behind the pillar for the driver's seat, as we want to keep that. We also removed the foot heater portion for the rear seats to make more room for the flat floor.
We cut and repurposed the foot heater for the back, and it will pop out the top of the box now instead.
I have been really excited to start on the flat floor in the back of the van, and we finally went and got the materials that we needed. We ended up using 2x6s for the stringers and ripping them down to the proper depth. Then we installed the stringers using nut certs at the front and the rear. And we used 5.5-inch, 1/4-inch bolts to bolt through the existing seat brackets that we are planning on keeping underneath the floor. We then used 1-inch foam insulation to insulate between the stringers. And then we installed plywood over the top with wood glue and screws. The flooring will then go over the top of this, as well as over the top of the brackets.